Welcome! Today I'm showing how to change icon shape into a CUBOT R19. First of all, open your Play Store and find X icon changer application. I'll show you. This one. Need installing this application. And now click open. Need a second for loading first time. And now need choose your application. For example, maybe Google Chrome will be okay. Now choose your icon, maybe like moon, for example. And in the top right corner we got OK button. So click it, wait a second for generating your icon, then close ads. Close ads one more time. Okay. One more time, close ads, and now click add automatically. And we see a message added to home screen, and now we got new icon of Google Chrome here. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.